Apple's expected design direction for the iPhone 18 Pro Max in 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most significant visual refreshes in years, focusing on refined aesthetics, a more immersive display, and subtle ergonomic improvements. Leaks and industry chatter suggest Apple may adopt a smaller or under-display Face ID system, reducing or even eliminating the traditional notch or dynamic island to give the screen more uninterrupted real estate. The frame is rumored to be slightly thinner and lighter, with flatter edges and a premium titanium alloy build that enhances durability while reducing overall weight. The rear camera module is expected to evolve too, potentially featuring larger, more pronounced lenses to accommodate advanced sensors and improved stabilization, all while retaining Apple's signature minimalist look. Subtle changes to button placement and speaker grills could also improve user comfort and usability. Internally, the iPhone 18 Pro Max may continue Apple's trend of pushing boundaries in materials and finish, with new color options and surface treatments that resist fingerprints and wear. Together, these expected design changes point toward an iPhone that feels more modern, more immersive, and more refined, merging cutting-edge technology with Apple's carefully honed design philosophy.